Yoga is derived from a Sanskrit word that is yuj. Yoga is derived from a Sanskrit word yuj. That is that means yoga is derived from a Sanskrit word yuj in verb form, which mean to unite or to join. Yoga is related to the Yoga is related with the union of individual soul with the divine soul. Patanjali said that yoga is the checking the impulse of mind is called yoga. Kin Hubbard said that it is pretty hard to tell what bring happiness. Poverty and wealth both failed. The following points clearly show the importance of yoga. Importance of yoga: first, improve posture, mental health, physical purity, relieve tension, and healthy body, prevention and cure diseases, and sound sleep, and spiritual development, provide relaxation, reduce obesity, help to maintain correct posture. ठीक है. And Ashtanga yoga means eightfold path of yoga. Ashtanga yoga means eightfold path of yoga. That is यम, नियम, आसन, प्राणायाम, प्रत्याहार, धारणा, ध्यान, समाधि. Yam has 5 parts. Yam is the first constituent of Ashtanga yoga, and it has 5 parts: ahimsa, satya, asatya, brahmacharya, aparigraha. Ahimsa means non-violence. We should not harm any organism or any human being. Ahimsa. Satya means truthfulness. We should Satya emphasize the importance of being truthful in thoughts, words, and deeds and actions. Ahimsa, Satya, Asatya. Asatya is non-stealing. Asatya refer to Asatya encourage honesty and refraining from stealing. Brahmacharya is to follow a disciplined life and not to interact with things that disturb your life, and not to eat such food that stimulates desires. And Brahmacharya focuses on self-restraint and moderation in all aspects of life, not to eat such food as desires. Aparigraha promotes non-possessiveness, that we should live a life with minimal requirements, detachment from material possessions. Niyama has also 5 parts. It is related to body and senses. Niyama parts Shauch, Santosh, Tap, Aparigraha. Shauch, Santosh, Tap, Ishwar, Pranidhana, and Shauch, Santosh, Tap, Ishwar, Pranidhana, Swadhyaya. Shauch is purity. That is, we have to physically and mentally clean. Emphasize the purity of body and mind. It involves maintaining cleanliness of externally and internally. Santosh means contentment and living life with Santosh means contentment and satisfaction in all circumstances of life. Tapa signifies endurance and discipline to overcome the challenges and obstacles on the path of achieving goals. So there is to study great Vedas and Granth and Upanishad and Gita with devotion is called Swadhyaya. Second type of study is self study to know who I am. Ishwar Pranidhana. To dedicate all the deeds to God is called Ishwar Pranidhana. In such state, he thinks that whatever he has achieved in life are due to only God grace. आसन, उसके बाद आता है यम नियम आसन. थर्ड पार्ट आसन मीन्स टेकिंग द पोस्चर फॉर योगा. Taking the posture or position for yoga is asana. It also means to sit in an easy position. Asana is step toward yoga. Pranayam is the process of controlling the process of breathing. Asana is process of controlling over breathing. Pranayam is the controlling of the process of breathing. It means appropriate control over inhalation and exhalation. Purak, Rechak, Kumbhak. Purak means inhalation, Kumbhak means hold, and Rechak means exhalation. Pratyahara is the process of controlling one's senses. Withdrawal of senses. Dharana is a complete concentration of mind at any object. Dhyan is the process of meditation in which the concentration of mind Samadhi is the union of individual soul to supreme soul or divine soul. Yogic Kriya Satkarma. The cleanliness of internal organ of our body can be done by 6 ways. Action. The cleanliness of internal organ of our body can be done by 6 actions. नीति धोती नौली बस्ती त्रातक कपालभाति. नीति धोती नौली बस्ती त्रातक कपालभाति. Niti is done for cleanliness, for cleaning internal passages of nose and and dhoti is done for cleaning intestine. Dhoti is done for cleaning and purifying stomach. Nauli is done for purifying and cleaning the intestine. Basti is the process of excreting waste product through anus by cleansing intestine.